As a dreamer, you mentioned that you had the opportunity to work with the Maharashtra government,
Yes.
and that's when this dream, if I can say, of the Skills University came up. So where did this need come from? Why did you think of doing something when already Symbiosis has that legacy?
It's not like I came with a dream of starting a skill university, but in 2008, the Maharashtra government approached me to chair a committee which was constituted for defining the Maharashtra state's policy in skill development and vocational education. So the government created a committee, the state government, for our committee to look into what are the reasons, why is this gap there, what can we do, give recommendations. And believe in me that this was all new to me because I came from an IT background and was managing a distance learning, online learning outfit of Symbiosis. So initially we interviewed more than 4,000 Polytechnic and ITI students and almost 400 faculty who were teaching in these vocational colleges, the Polytechnics and the ITIs. And there were two major problems that we realized. Number one, that skills in general had a low social acceptability. They had a lower status in the culture and fabric of our country, of our society.
Correct.
And the second problem is because of that, the skilled workforce was not being paid in line with the talent and the competencies they had. So we found that students were largely taking the decisions of joining an academic program, A, because of their parental pressure, or B, because of their friends doing some such course, and they were just taking those decisions because of these two factors. So when we came out with these findings, in fact, I recommended to the Maharashtra government that why don't they create a public skill university. We even visited Sri Lanka, Germany, China, Australia and many other countries where we saw that such formats of skill universities were present in those countries for many, many years and running very successfully and bridging this gap between the industry and academia. So the research was happening from 2008 to almost, you can say, up to 2011-12.
Okay.
When we presented the report to the Maharashtra government. Unfortunately, our recommendations were not immediately implemented at that time. Elections happened and BJP came to power. And the BJP government, when they came to power in Maharashtra, even at that time, Honorable Devendraji Fadnavis was the Chief Minister. And he found our recommendations, our report, and he called me once and he said, can you make a presentation to me? What were those recommendations? And we did. And I'm happy to share that we had 4 different presentations with his team and Honorable Chief Minister himself. And he gave a lot of, a lot of enthusiasm in this concept. And he said, this is a wonderful idea. The skill university, this is exactly what our country and what our state needs. Why doesn't Symbiosis go about establishing a skill university?
Okay.